you're not losing strength because of age. You're losing it because of this silent enemy, sarcopenia. It creeps in quietly. One day, walking up the stairs feels harder. Another day, you notice your arms struggle to lift groceries or your grandchild. You might shrug it off and think, well, I'm just getting older. But here's the truth. Muscle loss after 60 is not inevitable. It's preventable and even reversible with the right food on your plate. Many of us rely on eggs, thinking they're the gold standard for protein. And yes, eggs are great. But did you know there are other foods, some likely sitting in your kitchen right now, that pack more protein than eggs and do an even better job supporting your strength, balance, and independence? This video is for anyone who's felt weaker lately, who's worried about mobility, or just wants to feel steady on their feet again. And if that's you, or someone you care about, stay with me, because what you'll learn today might just change your daily routine for the better. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed changes in your strength or energy lately? Share your experience in the comments. Your story might help someone else feel less alone. And if you find value in videos like this, hit the subscribe button for Health 365 so we can keep bringing you science-backed tips made just for older adults. Now let's take a look at 5 powerful foods that quietly outperform eggs and how they can help you fight off muscle loss, one bite at a time. Let's start with something simple, familiar, and probably already in your fridge: chicken. You might think of it as just another dinner option, but when it comes to protecting your muscles after 60, chicken is nothing short of a powerhouse. Here's why. A single 100-gram serving of cooked chicken breast gives you about 27 grams of high-quality, complete protein. That's more than twice what you get from the same amount of eggs. And for older adults, that difference matters. Because as we age, our bodies don't use protein as efficiently as they used to. So we don't just need some protein. We need more of the right kind. But it's not just about quantity. Chicken also gives you 2 extra tools in your muscle-protecting toolkit: creatine and leucine. Let's break that down. Creatine is like fuel for your muscles. It helps your body recover faster after physical activity, whether that's a walk around the block, gardening, or carrying laundry up the stairs. For those of us who may tire more quickly or feel sore after small efforts, creatine can make a real difference in how we bounce back. Leucine, on the other hand, is an amino acid that acts like a muscle trigger. Even if you're not moving as much as you used to, leucine tells your body to hang on to the muscle you have and to build more when it can. That's especially helpful if you've started to notice your legs feel weaker, your balance feels off, or it's harder to rise from a chair. Leucine can quietly go to work, helping you stay strong, upright, and independent. So how much chicken should you aim for? A palm-sized piece, about 100 to 150 grams per day, is a great start. But here's where it gets important. How you cook it matters. High-heat cooking like deep frying, heavy grilling, or charring can destroy many of the nutrients your muscles need and may even create harmful compounds. Instead, go for gentle cooking methods like steaming, poaching, baking, or lightly sautéing in olive oil. These methods help preserve the goodness inside your chicken without adding unhealthy fats. Want to take it one step further? Pair your chicken with vitamin C-rich veggies like red bell peppers or spinach. This combo doesn't just taste good. It boosts your absorption of key minerals like iron and zinc, both of which are essential for strong muscles, endurance, and better recovery. Now, here's the beauty of it all. Chicken is affordable, versatile, and easy to digest. Perfect for older adults who want practical ways to fight fatigue and stay steady on their feet. Include it regularly in your weekly meals, and you might notice small changes that mean a lot. Better energy, more stability when walking, and a little more confidence with every step. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. And chicken, when prepared thoughtfully, is one of the smartest choices you can make for aging muscles. Now let's move on to a surprising plant-based food that's tiny in size, but mighty in muscle-supporting nutrients: quinoa. These tiny little seeds are much more than just trendy health food. For older adults, quinoa is one of the most complete plant-based sources of protein you can find. Just 100 grams of cooked quinoa gives you about 14 grams of protein. And here's the special part: it contains all 9 essential amino acids. That's rare for a plant. Your body needs those amino acids to repair muscle, recover from physical activity, and stay strong, especially as we age. Most seniors don't get enough high-quality protein, and even fewer get complete protein from plants. That's where quinoa shines. It fills a nutritional gap that's often overlooked, and it does it gently, without feeling heavy on your stomach. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Quinoa is loaded with minerals that your muscles, nerves, and heart depend on. It's rich in magnesium, helps your muscles relax and promotes better sleep. Potassium keeps your heartbeat steady and supports circulation. Iron carries oxygen in your blood, so your muscles and brain don't get tired as quickly. Phosphorus builds strong bones and keeps your joints moving smoothly. That's a lot of good packed into one small seed. And for those managing blood sugar issues or energy crashes in the afternoon, quinoa can be a game changer. Its complex carbs and fiber release energy slowly and help keep blood sugar levels stable. Important for anyone with prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, or just feeling tired after meals. To get the most from quinoa, soak it for at least 6 hours before cooking. This removes phytic acid, a natural compound that can block your absorption of important minerals. After soaking, lightly toast the seeds before boiling. It makes them more flavorful and easier to digest. 1 cup of cooked quinoa a day is a great target. You can pair it with almost anything: colorful veggies like kale, red bell peppers, or zucchini, or toss it with black beans or chickpeas for a hearty lunch. Even better, mix it into soups or turn it into a warm breakfast bowl with fruit and cinnamon. The texture is soft, the taste is mild, and it fits into just about any dish. What makes quinoa so senior-friendly is how gentle, nutritious, and versatile it is. It supports muscle strength, steadies your energy, improves digestion, and helps you feel fuller longer. So you're not reaching for empty snacks that leave you sluggish. For aging bodies that need reliable fuel, quinoa is a smart, simple addition to your daily meals. Next, let's take a look at a food that's been quietly supporting strength and bone health for decades, especially helpful for women after menopause and men with weakening joints: soy. If you're looking for one simple food that does double duty, building muscle and protecting your bones, soy is it. Soy is one of the only plant-based foods that offers complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs but can't produce on its own. Just 100 grams of cooked soybeans give you about 9 grams of high-quality protein, and it's easy for older bodies to digest and use. But what makes soy stand out isn't just the protein, it's the isoflavones. These are natural plant compounds that act a bit like estrogen in the body. That's especially important for postmenopausal women and older men, because after 60, our natural hormone levels drop. That can lead to bone thinning, joint pain, and greater risk of fractures. Isoflavones offer gentle, plant-based support, helping maintain bone density, ease stiffness, and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. And here's something worth noting. Studies show that seniors who eat soy regularly tend to lose muscle at a slower rate, especially when combined with light movement and a good night's sleep. So if you've started noticing that your muscles feel softer or your posture is slipping, adding soy might help you regain some of that lost strength. Soy is also rich in fiber, which helps in more ways than one. It regulates blood sugar, great for those managing type 2 diabetes, supports digestive health, especially if you're dealing with constipation or bloating, and keeps energy levels more even throughout the day. So, how much soy should you aim for? Around 250 to 300 grams of cooked soybeans or soy milk, or 150 grams of tofu, tempeh, or other fermented soy products per day. These options are incredibly versatile. You can blend soy milk into your morning smoothie, add tofu to soups or stir-fries, or enjoy roasted soybeans as a snack. To get the best from soy, try soaking the beans in warm water for 6 hours before cooking. This removes anti-nutrients that can block your body from absorbing all the good stuff. A light toasting also boosts flavor and makes them easier on your stomach. If you're still unsure, start small. Add a few cubes of tofu to your salad or soup. You'll be surprised at how filling, comforting, and satisfying it is. And when eaten consistently, soy becomes more than just a meat alternative. It becomes a reliable source of strength, balance, and stability in your daily life. Up next, we'll explore a humble little legume that's often overlooked, but it might just be one of the most affordable and powerful tools for healthy aging: lentils. These small, humble legumes are a true gift for older adults. Just 100 grams of cooked lentils give you about 9 grams of plant-based protein, a solid amount to help preserve your muscles and keep your energy up as you age. And when it comes to protecting against sarcopenia, the slow loss of muscle that many people face after 60, lentils are one of the most accessible, gentle, and affordable allies you can find. But the benefits go far beyond protein. Lentils are loaded with fiber, which supports smoother digestion, helps regulate blood sugar, and keeps your appetite steady. If you've struggled with constipation, bloating, or energy crashes after meals, adding lentils to your plate can make a big difference. That fiber also helps you feel fuller longer, so you're less tempted to reach for empty-calorie snacks that offer little nutrition. And here's something truly impressive. Lentils are rich in essential minerals that support the entire body as it ages. Iron helps carry oxygen throughout the body, fighting off fatigue. Folate supports memory and brain health. Magnesium promotes calm, relaxed muscles and better sleep. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and protects your heart. This nutrient combo makes lentils a quiet powerhouse, supporting circulation, nerve function, joint flexibility, and mental clarity. If you're feeling stiff in the morning, mentally foggy during the day, or just not quite yourself, don't underestimate what a small daily portion of lentils can do. They're also full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which can soothe joint pain, reduce chronic inflammation, and support long-term heart health. For anyone dealing with arthritis, prediabetes, or the aches and pains that come with aging, lentils offer gentle, consistent relief from the inside out. The best part? Lentils are incredibly easy to prepare and versatile. Whether you stir them into soups, mix them into grain bowls, or enjoy them cold in a hearty salad, they blend into just about any meal without much fuss. Aim for 150-200 grams of cooked lentils a day. That's about half to 1 cup. To absorb even more of their minerals, try soaking lentils overnight before cooking. It reduces natural compounds called phytates, which can block nutrient absorption. It's a small step that can make a big difference. Don't let their size fool you. Lentils may be small, but they're packed with everything your body needs to stay strong, sharp, and steady. And if you're looking for something soft, nourishing, and incredibly easy to digest, especially for evenings or lighter meals, our next food might surprise you. Cottage cheese. If you're looking for something soft, easy on the stomach, but packed with nutrition, cottage cheese might just be your secret weapon. At first glance, it may seem like a simple food, but for older adults, cottage cheese delivers exactly what your body needs: high-quality, slow-releasing protein that helps maintain muscle, prevent breakdown, and support steady energy throughout the day. Just 100 grams of cottage cheese gives you around 11 grams of protein, and the kind of protein it offers, casein, is what makes it truly special. Casein digests slowly, giving your body a steady supply of amino acids for hours. That means it continues working long after you've eaten, helping you rebuild muscle while you rest, and even while you sleep. This is especially important after 60, when muscle recovery takes longer and nighttime muscle loss becomes more common. A scoop of cottage cheese in the evening can quietly go to work overnight, helping you wake up feeling steadier, stronger, and more refreshed. But the benefits don't stop at protein. Cottage cheese is also a great source of calcium to strengthen bones and prevent fractures, vitamin B12, which supports brain function, nerve health, and energy metabolism, nutrients that naturally decline with age. And here's a bonus. It's naturally low in fat, with only about 4 grams per 100 grams, making it ideal for anyone watching their weight, cholesterol, or heart health. If the texture feels a bit too thick or lumpy for your liking, try this simple tip. Soak it briefly in cold water to soften it. It becomes smoother, lighter, and even easier to digest. Cottage cheese is also incredibly versatile. You can mix it into oatmeal or pair it with fresh fruit for a protein-rich breakfast. Stir it into warm vegetable soups for added creaminess and nutrition. Combine it with quinoa, lentils, and steamed greens for a satisfying, strength-building lunch or dinner. It's gentle, nourishing, and doesn't overwhelm your system. For many older adults, cottage cheese becomes a reliable go-to, something you can count on to support muscles, protect bones, and keep your energy steady without fuss or fancy preparation. And the best part? It's widely available, budget-friendly, and takes just minutes to prepare. Now that we've walked through these 5 powerful foods, each one richer in protein than eggs and tailored for aging bodies, let's wrap up with a few simple tips on how to combine them into meals that are easy, delicious, and built to keep you strong for years to come. Staying strong after 60 doesn't mean following a complicated diet. It simply means making small, smart choices each day, adding the right foods that support your muscles, your bones, and your energy.